It's not too bad out there. The clouds are definitely muting some of that sunshine out there from that live look cam. If you look at the satellite and radar right now, you can see where the clouds are streaming in from this decaying line of showers and storms. We got Tropical Storm Bertha all to our south. We got a stationary front stalled out just to the north. That actually used to be our cold front that pushed through Tuesday night. And then this high pressure is responsible for at least a little bit more drier air. You felt that yesterday. You're feeling a little bit today. But still expect a warm/hot day, 80s, upper 80s, lower 90s across the board. There's some of that cloud cover that's starting to kind of stream in, some mid to upper level clouds that's getting a bit more filtered sunshine as opposed to complete sunshine. Watch a couple of these showers, but they're expected to probably fizzle as they get a little bit closer. They're going to be encountering a bit more drier air through the atmosphere. And as we're taking a look outside, we'll enjoy these temperatures at the lunchtime hour in a mid to late July afternoon. 86 in Fort Smith, at least it's not 96 or 106. Bentonville up to 82 right now. Kind of see some of those clouds on the web camera there, and then even Fayetteville looking at 84. Ozark, not too much different, 85, and right on cue, our Rogers cam popped up, 81 degrees. There we go. And overall, this afternoon, we can expect those highs to get up to the upper 80s, I think, for the most part in northwest Arkansas. So we'll add a few more degrees to those values. I just showed you some lower 90s likely in the River Valley. We'll call it partly sunny, so we're starting to see some of that sunshine start to get muted a little bit as those clouds start to stream in. River Valley has a little bit of a better opportunity at seeing some more sunshine overnight tonight. Obviously no sun, but we're going to be seeing dry and mild with an increase in cloud cover late tonight, and those low temperatures falling mostly into the lower to middle 70s area wide. Now, we'll have to talk about an opportunity for some rain. I think most of today ends up being dry. Maybe our northern tier counties get clipped with that spot shower out of northeast Oklahoma, but most of us, I think, don't run into too many issues out there. Thursday evening, tonight, we're looking dry. Here comes the increase in cloud cover late tonight and really into early Friday, so you'll notice it by the time you're heading out the door for Friday morning. And then as we get towards, say, early afternoon, lunchtime Friday, cloud cover is still going to be with us, but we'll notice some of that upper-level energy starting to swing in. A couple of those spotty showers moving through there Friday afternoon. You'll see it here across the region. Doesn't necessarily look widespread, looks more isolated, widely scattered. And some of those spotty shower chances continue through Friday evening with even some more storms possibly blossoming up across the Ozarks of north central Arkansas. That would be just to our east. So we'll watch that, but a few opportunities at seeing some showers possible, especially starting tomorrow. You're probably also going to notice the humidity. It's going to be on the uptrend. So we'll take dew points in the 60s for today. I mean, it's still relatively, at least somewhat comfortable. Then it starts to get pretty humid Friday, Saturday through the weekend. Dew points come down at least a little bit Sunday into Monday, but our air temperatures don't necessarily come down, and that's actually going to yield a hot heat index. As early as Saturday, we could be talking about heat index values over 105. More likely in the River Valley for that to occur. I think northwest Arkansas between 100 and 105, and that's just Saturday. Sunday's going to get hotter. Monday, Tuesday, all those days are going to get hotter. The heat index probably going to be right around 110 in the River Valley, probably right around 105 in northwest Arkansas. This big dome of high pressure, the heat dome that we've been referring to a lot lately, it's not really going to be moving anywhere. It doesn't really break down either, and so it just has a grip on our weather going through this weekend, but also through early parts of next week, where rain chances are going to be pretty limited after tomorrow, and the heat's going to really dominate the headlines, kind of like what you felt earlier this week. And if we jump to the 7-day forecast, we see exactly that. Still have a 20% chance for early Saturday. Then we get to Sunday. That's the air temperature, 98. And then we get to Monday and Tuesday. These are just air temperatures. We're closing in on the century mark once again. Potentially on Tuesday, we've hit one 100-degree day. We could add another for early next week, so that could be interesting. Don't really want to see 100, but we'll see what happens. The River Valley, we will definitely hit 100, probably multiple days. Saturday already getting up to 98, Sunday 102. The humidity comes down just a tad Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but I'm not really sure if you're going to be feeling any difference because the air temperatures are 1 to 2 degrees hotter. It looks like that heat peaks the first half of next week.
High temperatures on the horizon for sure. So we have the Altus Grape Festival tomorrow. So I'm just grateful that we won't see triple digits for that. Yeah,
at least it won't be, triple digits. It's still going to be definitely more humid tomorrow, so that might make the heat index a little bit hotter, but it could always be worse, like maybe what we saw earlier this week on Tuesday. That was pretty brutal.
Yeah, pretty brutal. Keep the sunscreen handy for sure. All right. Thanks, Noah.